Hi Gemini, this is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and I'm here to relay the most accurate messages meant for Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. These are general messages, guys. They may or may not resonate with everyone. So take what resonates with you and leave what doesn't. To book a private reading, please visit my Instagram page, Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot. It's mentioned in the description box below. Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Okay, you've got the Knight of Cups, the Ace of Cups, the Hierophant, the Strength card. Gemini, I see new beginnings in love with somebody who you've known. I think you know of this person and you're not very free with them, I think. Probably they're a little traditional and, a little orthodox or something. The card at the bottom of the deck is Chariot card. It could be a Cancer individual that you are dealing with. But what I see here is a lot of movement from, um, you know, a time where you were a little emotional about a lot of things, and love has disappointed you in the past, Gemini. And now you are manifesting something that is more soulful and meant for a lifetime. A connection that is meant for a lifetime, Gemini. I feel that's what you're manifesting now. And for some of you, that person is already here. For those who are still in search of their soulmate, they are around the corner because these are current energies, and if they haven't come yet, then they're about to come. Yeah, Gemini, I feel you have come out of a time, of a really difficult time, a time where everything seemed burdensome. It felt as if you had to shoulder responsibilities that weren't even yours. You had to take ownership of events that weren't your doing, Gemini, and you just had to do it. And you know deal with emotions and people letting you down left, right, and center, especially people who you laid your trust in, especially those who said they were there for you but weren't actually. I definitely see somebody coming in your life. It's a new person or somebody who has undergone a lot of change and they want to start afresh with you, Gemini. It could be a Leo person, Taurus, another Gemini. It could also be an Aquarius person. Cancer is there, obviously. Uh, you're coming out of an energy where somebody intentionally or unintentionally put you through a third party situation. Third party does not always mean another person. It could also be another aspect of their life, like you or their family, you or somebody else, you or their work. So it becomes a third party, like a triangle, right? And they chose to keep you out of their life and concentrate on that other aspect. But I feel you have gained clarity. You are in a better space now mentally, Gemini. And I also feel that whoever you are attracting in your life will match your wavelength. You guys will be on the same wavelength. You guys will be on the same um, mental plane when it comes to emotions. For some of you, I'm getting a strong feeling that this is the same past person who wants to re enter your life with a changed behavior, with an apology first, and then they want to, start afresh with you because they cannot move on from you. They tried to move on. Probably they also indulged in some temporary third party situations where they thought they could just indulge in other people and fill in the void that was created with your absence. But Gemini, they failed at it and they want another chance with you. This person was definitely trying to shuffle between you and other people or other aspects. They have been selfish, and I feel you are also being really guarded now. This could be your energy as well, Gemini. This could be their energies in the past when they were selfish and they weren't letting you in completely. And now it could be your energies when you are guarded and you have your walls up and you can't trust that easily. But yes, this person wants to have a new passionate beginning with you. They want to offer you the world, Gemini. Some of you may have a soft corner for them, and you guys want to, so for you, if this person comes back, you will actually give them another chance, even though it comes with some kind of terms and conditions. But I think you guys are willing to give this relationship another chance. But beware of sneaky energies because the fundamental nature of a person never changes, Gemini. Really. If they've been sneaky in the past, they could be the same. They really do want to offer you the world, as I mentioned. I feel you guys have undergone a lot of change. You guys have become really um, sorted when it comes to your emotions. Now you know what you want. Yes, you guys have been taking time out to rest and to, deal with your emotions in peace. Some of you could be pregnant with this person's child, or when this person comes back, you would want to get married to them. Now, these are general energies. It may not resonate with everyone. In my previous readings, I got a lot of comments that said, no, not going to do this, not going to do that, this doesn't resonate. I get it, guys. And so, firstly, thank you so much for giving Wishes of a Wanderer a chance and going through the reading. But it's really not in my hands. These are general energies that I'm channeling, and there are 1001 Geminis or Sagittarius or Cancerians out there, and these readings do not resonate with each and every soul. Also, um, people go by their sun signs, and I always guide them and tell them that please check other placements as well and check out the other readings because for some of us, our sun signs do not resonate with us as much as our rising, or when it comes to love, our Venus placements, they resonate with us more than our sun, moon, or rising signs. So just check other placements. Please don't be disheartened. Please don't fight. Please don't feel angry, or don't be negative about stuff. There is hope in this world. Don't forget that, and check out the other placements as well. And this is a general reading. Please, guys, I'll take some Morgan Greer message for you, and then we will check out some oracle cards. Gemini. Yeah, you've got the Six of Swords twice. Dates like the 16th, 12th, 15th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 18th, 17th are going to be important. These numbers can also be really important for you. 12th and 2 also, the number 2 and 22. Now let's see some oracle messages for you, Gemini. Wait, don't rush into action right now. Bide your time for better results. Now, these oracle cards could be directly related to the tarot or may not be related to the tarot at all. These could just be additional messages, so take them however they resonate with you. The angels want you to wait. If you want to relate it to the tarot, then the Four of Swords, the rejuvenation card, they could be related to that. Listen to your true feelings, Gemini. Don't let others talk you into doing something that you know is wrong. Yes, never do that. Always go by your gut because your gut is your higher self guiding you. Meditate on things that you feel about and you'll feel better. Trust me. You're doing well anyway, Gemini. I feel very positive about you. Listen to your intuition, true feelings, intuition. Okay? Don't hurry. Hasty decisions never turn out to be in your benefit. Show the world the real you, Gemini. You've got the full moon in Aquarius. You could be dealing with an Aquarius person. Nothing will come of this situation. Whatever you've been thinking about probably won't work out for you. If it's related to the tarot, probably giving this person another chance may not work out with you. Um, this could be somebody totally different, somebody totally new coming your way, and probably that might work out for you, Gemini. You could always book a private reading to get a clearer picture. These are just general energies. Let's take some Starseed Oracle, one of my most favorite Oracle decks. Wow. Look at the bigger picture, guys. Vision what you truly want in your life and you will manifest that. Don't forget, the universe is a mirror, it will reflect exactly what you show it. So, show it good things, and only good things will be reflected back. You've got such beautiful cards. Gemini, your soul knows this pain. Your soul knows that this journey needed to be taken, and that is why it is happening to you. So just take everything with a pinch of salt and keep moving. You've got the Chariot card as a general energy for you, and you need to keep moving. Whenever you feel pain, just surrender it to the universe because this is all temporary, Gemini. I see great things for you in the future. So just be receptive to beautiful changes that are coming your way. I hope this reading resonated with you. Thank you for watching. Bye.